నేను ఇంకొకటి కూడా విన్నాను, మీరు ఇది విన్నారా? యాక్చువల్లీ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇక్కడ స్టార్స్కి జీన్స్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసింది అన్నానే. యా, అప్పట్లో ఎవరి దగ్గర జీన్స్ ఉండకపోతుండే అంట. నవ్ వీఆర్ ఈజీలీ ఎక్కడైనా దొరుకుతుంది. బట్ జాకీ షరఫ్ సార్ ఏదో ఇంటర్వ్యూలో చెప్పడం జరిగింది,
వెరీ స్టైలిష్ టు ఆల్ ద యాక్టర్స్.
Certain brands that I used to, and I'm a clothes horse then and even now. Dress casual, so yes, yeah.
So you always look like a stylish man, adi untundi. But action అనేది మాత్రమే నోటీస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం సార్. బట్ బయట ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ లో చూసినప్పుడు you're always calm, हमेशा मैं देखती हूँ इतना calm. क्या sir, क्या?
So, but that's the way I am. That's exactly how I am. I try and stay very, very calm. I always believe that you learn from home more than in school or in college. You see how your parents are, you see how everybody else is. So my father was a very, very calm man, somebody who never showed any kind of stress to anyone at home, and he always said, stay relaxed, because things will happen in life, things will happen around you. And I think that stayed with me. And I think enough action during the day that once you get back you need to stay calm, because for me my journey has been Sunil Shetty, an action hero, first film worked, was written off as an actor, so the action got even deadlier, even more dangerous, even more stunt oriented, till the time I set myself up. And then it's basically, I guess it's also my nature, very calm.
ओके, लोग तो मतलब पैसा खर्च करने में थोड़ा सोचते हैं, आप बात खर्च करने में बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं.
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. I mean, I don't know. Probably when it comes to movies और फिल्मों की जब बात आती है और पार्टीज की बात आती है, तो I'm not around.
Okay.
Because I always stayed in town, and my travel to shoot was a minimum 2 hours one way, 1.5 2 hours. So I spent time a lot in traveling, and then I always wanted to rush back home. So that kept me away from everything, and people feel कि ये कम बोलता है, कम दिखाई देता. दिखाई इसलिए नहीं देता क्योंकि मैं खुश हूँ अपने एक इलाके में.
हर जगह पे दिखाई देते हो, मतलब हर जगह पे हमेशा बात होती है आपकी. मतलब మేము మాట్లాడుకుంటూనే ఉంటాం మీ గురించి, because everybody knows about your work and your looks, everything. So how do you manage, sir? అసలు ఎలా జరుగుతుంది ఇలా? You're still like that, 1992 కంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా more handsome. So
I think you learn from the younger lot that you work with, especially when it comes to fitness. We never knew what diet was. Today we know, thanks to them, we know what nutrition is, we know what diet is, what are the new formats of training. So if you keep your eyes and ears open and you're willing to learn and listen, is when you also absorb. So, I've got a young son at home, I've got a daughter at home, they're always training, they're always talking health. So I learn and pick up from them. And then my own life's experiences. I probably in the last 5 years shifted to yoga, become even more calmer, understood breathing, which I mix with my training.
But you are born yoga learner, I think, आपको ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी योगा की.
नहीं, वो क्योंकि no, but it's a fact. आपने योगा कहा, but I was a martial artist, and I was an Okinawa Goju-Ryu style of martial artist, which is one of the calmest forms of martial arts, where you learn martial arts for self-control, not to hurt anybody, but to let people be aware that I am calm, but you take me on and it could be trouble. So I think that is a part of it, because it was all about breathing. Right. It was all about power. Right. Then came kickboxing, MMA, these more explosive and more aggressive forms. So I think I came from the Japanese Okinawa Goju-Ryu style of martial arts. That's why the calmness. Good observation, actually.
I
thought of it now, but true.
You don't believe, like నేను అన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ చూసాను, మేబీ నేను చాలా ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ చూసుంటాను, అన్ని బాలీవుడ్లో ప్రతి ఇంటర్వ్యూ చూసాను. ఇంటర్వ్యూలో చూస్తే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్కువ, ఆన్సర్స్ తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. యూనో పీపుల్ ఆస్ లైక్ 10 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్, బట్ 3 మార్క్స్ కూడా కాదు, ½ మార్క్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది సునీల్ సార్ దగ్గర నుంచి. ఓవరాల్గా కంప్లీట్గా అన్ని ఒక దగ్గర జాయిన్ చేసిన ½ an hour ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయింది.
Please subscribe to 9 Roses Media.
Please like, follow and subscribe 9 Roses Media.
Hi everybody, this is Murli Sharma and please subscribe to 9 Roses Media.
నేను మీ రెజీనా కెసాండ్రా. 9 Roses మీడియాకి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
Hello viewers, please subscribe to 9 Roses Media. Thank you.
ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు 9 Roses మీడియా.
9 Roses మీడియాను ఫాలో అవ్వండి, చూడండి, ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.